Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose, depending on your trading style on the timeline, it will sort your trading style. So, it started our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is down in the description of that video. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here, today it happened here, a green day. That very good news here for Bitcoin. And I'm going to tell you why that's happening, why all that pushing up happening. By the way, if you're watching our yesterday video, well, have you been ready for that? Because the people they are with us in the 4 hours of for swing trading, the enter long. So if you're watching our yesterday video, well, have you enter long for a long-term investing? Not yet. We don't got anything here telling us we need to enter long. Yes, us we still here stuck in that level here as you see it. By the way, some people they told me why you saying here that the neckline here and is not here where is the close of the bodies, because me I treat it like that. The close of the bodies is here and the tails they are down here. That's why when we came here I haven't say us we're breaking the neckline of that head and shoulder here. That's why me I'm still believing there is maybe it's going to come a small correction from here, and from that we're going to see where we are going, because the top me I told you we are going to go back to touch here. All that week we're going to stay sideways here, so there is no dropping guys. We need to wait and more. I think everything is too clear guys here, and here also we still have the same thing, nothing was changed. We still have here that 200 moving average. Also we still waiting if it's going to be touched here, we're going to buy. I tell it to you, people they been with us when we touch in here the 50 moving average in that level here, we buy 20% and we're waiting to buy 50% from our capital here when we're going to touch the 200 moving average. So now also we're still waiting, because also now we are below in the 50 moving average, so maybe we're going to fall down to touch it here, then after that we're going to go up like how we done it here before. So I think picture is too clear guys here, and I showed you yesterday something here about the volume. Let me show it to you even today. But today we got something new here. Look with me here what you see in here in that level here, what you see in here guys. Today the greenish it's breaking above that moving average as we got here with yellow. As you see it today, the volume it's breaking up, and I'm going to tell you why today it came that volume. I'm going to tell it to you guys. So let's go in now to see the coming news for today, and for me to tell you why that volume came today. So let's go in there. Coming news we got today, as you see it, but the coming news we got today, we got initial jobless claim, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing, and exiting home sales. People they are focused about that one at exiting home sales, but at those days no one is focused about economical data. Everyone he focused about the deal they are going to come with the lawmakers and the White House, because till now they haven't reached to a deal. Today Joe Biden he came, he talked, he said they haven't reached to a deal, and him now is going to G7 meeting. So we need to wait and more guys. I think picture is too clear here, and I'm going to tell you why the Bitcoin is going up today. So let me tell you why the Bitcoin is going up today, because of that one. As you see it, the Tether, the USDT, USDT Tether, they said they are going to buy 15% from the profit of them, and that very good news. That meant them they are going to buy Bitcoin. You can read all the topic here, by the way, is it in watch.guru. As you see it here, they said they are going to start buying 15% of the Bitcoin, and that very good guys news. That way we saw the Bitcoin is going up today because of that news. I think picture is too clear here. Let's going back now to our news. And here that the table also we follow every time as you see it here. What it's telling us today, all US stocks they are green today as you see it. As you see everything is green here. That's good news. And even here the VIX today it fell down below that 17 but not that much, just few points as you see it, 16.87, but currency is still very low. That's why people they are not scared yet, so that's a very good sign here. But the US dollar as you see it, it's very close to break 103. As you see it, 102.7. That's very bad news. That's me thinking in the end of the week we're going to see a jump up. I think picture is too clear guys here. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. If you remember people they been with me and for some time now and they been watching my videos every time. I'm not talking about those people they been waiting till us we put in or they see a video is got a lot of views they came to watch it. I'm talking about the people they been with me when the videos get 200 or something like that. They been watching my videos every time. I told them we got here a wage like that. It's getting broke here. I told you to enter long and I told you to put stop loss here down at that level here. You can find all that in the last 2 or 3 videos. Then in the last video I told you we got here a head and shoulder here like that, very clear like that. That's what me you can find it even in the thumbnail of the last video. And I told you the neckline is it here at that level here. As you see that candle here it's breaking the neckline here as you see it. So people they need to enter, they need to be in now. Take profit for that one is going to be just here at the top of that channel as we said before. The top of that channel here as you see it, at the top of that channel. When it's going to be touched here, take profit. Channel by the way to start it, you came down here. Even though I want to show it to you before that the channel me I'm talking about. When you go to touch it here, you need to take profit. Another thing for the people they haven't entered yet, look what you got here. Look with me here, that like that, and here you got a very clear double bottom. The neckline is it here. That one it's not yet getting broke. If it's getting broke here, you can enter long. Stop loss of you can put it down here. Even that one you need to be focused about it as you see it. Stop loss put it here. Enter from here if it's getting broke guys. Everything is too clear guys. So here in the 4 hours it's looking it's going to go up till here. Not that much, I just show you till where. It's going to go till here. You see me how I started from that one and that one. So when it's going to be touched here, you need to take the profit guys. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, you remember what else we said before here? We said we got here a divergence from that 2 here, from that 2 lines here, and I show it to you even in the chart. Now we don't need to show it to you now because we showed it to you before. And here we touch here that wall here, then we came back down here. Now our indicator it's showing it's enter here to where is the bears they controlling. There is no bulls yet as you see it now where we are. We are here in the zone where is the bulls they controlling. There is no bears yet controlling now. So here in the 4 hours it's showing to us the market it changed from a bear market to a bull market guys. As you see it, picture is very clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. We've been here at the oversold area. We've been at that very stronger supply and demand zone here. As you see it, we started from here and here. We've been waiting a price action. We used to have here that wage like that. That one, the first wage is getting broke here. I told you need to enter long stop loss here. Then it gave us here the market that head and shoulder here. Now it's breaking the neckline. And now we got here a double bottom here, very clear double bottom here as you see it. If that one getting broke here, that means it's going to go up. As me I told you, it will not go up that much. It will just going up to touch here, that channel here. Then after that, maybe it's going to fall down. So I think picture is too clear guys here. We don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video I told you here. We got here a triangle here. The triangle is getting broke here. Bitcoin it fall down till here. Then the jump here I wasn't on. And I haven't analyzed it for you. But the Bitcoin it give you here. Something new here. Look with me here what you got. You got here like a wedge or a symmetric triangle. You can do it like that. As you see it from that one here and that one here. It's getting broke here. So we'll have you enter long till here, till that level where we are now. at that level now, what should you do here for scalping and day trading? Because you are in a very stronger level. As you see it last time, from here you fall down. Now you are in it here again. But the good news here, you need to wait in that will look with me here what I'm going to show you. Here it give you high, fall down, he give you a low. That low here is high in the previous one. Now if that one go up and breaking that last high here, that's when the Bitcoin is going to go up more higher. But also I'm not going to wait in that. Also we enter from here. Well, if you enter from here, from that level here. Now till now here at that level there is no price action here telling you need to enter long or to enter short. So you need to wait in more till the right time came. Unless if that level here is getting broke here, that level here if it's getting broke, it's going to break even the neckline I just show you of that double bottom we got in the 4 hours. So you need to enter if it's breaking here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the overbought area level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it from here. Last time we fall down, but we don't got the most important thing. We don't got a price action, guys. The price action is very important. We don't got it here, so there is no entry long, no entry short. You need to wait in more till the right time came to you, guys. At this time here there is nothing there, so I think the Bitcoin is going to go up more than that. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.